Alright, so after getting our website design, either design locally then transfer to the live host, or we design from scratch with the live host, the next thing is to learn how to generate traffic to the website. Alright, also if you're a web manager, it's also important that you learn how to generate traffic to the website you manage. The truth about this is that there is nothing you are managing if nobody visits the website you manage. Right, it's just like you working in a shop, and at the end of the day nobody comes around to make inquiry about the goods and services you offer in the shop. All right, so right here we have listed some methods that we can use to generate traffic to our website. All right, the first one here is the use of search engine optimization to generate organic traffic. The second one here is the direct method. The third one here is the use of social platforms. The fourth one here is the paid method. Then we have the backlinks. All right, I know we've talked about all of these before, but this is a list of the ways we can generate traffic to our website. All right, so if we move to the first one that says the use of SEO to generate organic traffic, if we go to our browser right here, let's type in something like list of global competitions 2022. All right, so right here you can see the first results we have for this particular keyword is directed to Mighty MLS publishers. All right, now if someone comes right to this place and visits the website right here, this website has generated what is called organic traffic. All right, and this particular website is one of the websites I manage. All right, I'm going to show you the dashboard of this particular website right here. All right, so this is the dashboard of that same website, Mighty MLS publishers, right here. Right, if you go to the Google search console, you find out that for the past 3 months this website has generated over 6,000 clicks and over 94,000 impressions through the organic traffic. All right, and for the past 3 months I have not worked on this website. So the use of SEO to generate organic traffic to our website is a very good method. The next one here is the direct method. All right, the direct method here is when web users knows the URL of your website and they go to the URL section of their browser right here and they type in the URL of your website. So let's assume we have allforlearners.com. all right, so let's assume our web users knows the URL of my website and they go to their browser to type in the URL. So my website generates what is called the direct traffic. All right, also web users, after visiting the website through the URL section, they can bookmark my website. All right, they can add this to a bookmark. All right, so when the web visitors visit my website through the URL section or through bookmarked, my website will get what is called the direct traffic. All right, the next one here is the social traffic. This is very, very important. The social traffic is a kind of traffic you generate to your website through social media. Take for instance, you have the Facebook, you have the Twitter, you have Instagram, you have YouTube and the likes. So if you have any link on any of these social platforms that generate traffic to your website, that particular traffic is what is called the social traffic. All right, take for instance, we can try WhatsApp is one of the social media we have. You can also generate social traffic through WhatsApp group. All right, WhatsApp group gives you the ability to have over 200 participants in that particular group. All right, so when you share your website post links and pages on the WhatsApp group, you find out that lots of people can click on these links and they will be directed to your website. So right there, your website will generate what is called the social traffic. All right, the next one here under WhatsApp is a WhatsApp broadcast. All right, WhatsApp broadcast here is the process of you creating a broadcast list where you can add as many people as possible to that particular broadcast list. All right, so you can push a particular website URL to as many people that you have added to your WhatsApp broadcast list. But there is a little disadvantage here. The disadvantage here is that for your WhatsApp broadcast list to function, you need to save the contact of all the people you'll be adding to the broadcast list, and you also need them to save your contact as well. All right, so after that we'll move to the WhatsApp TV. The WhatsApp TV here is not a WhatsApp that is on the TV. The WhatsApp TV is just a process of having people to view your WhatsApp status. All right, there are lots of people that have over 1,000 views for each of their WhatsApp status. All right, so the process of having people to view your WhatsApp status is what is called the WhatsApp TV. All right, so this is very, very important. If you have lots of people that view your WhatsApp status, you find out that you can copy the links of your website pages and post, and you can share that on your WhatsApp status, and you get a lot of people that will have to click on the link and they'll be directed to your website. All right, so this is also the way you can create social traffic. All right, like the WhatsApp broadcast here, the WhatsApp TV here requires that the people that will be viewing your status need to have your contact saved in their device, and you also have their contact saved in your own device. All right, if you don't do this, you find out that you won't have these people to view your status. All right, so this is also important. After that, we'll talk about the Facebook group. Facebook is also one of the social platform we have presently. All right, so some of the Facebook groups we have, we find out that most of the Facebook groups has over 1 million members. All right, so Facebook group is one of the best place to share the links of your website posts and pages. For instance, we'll go to our browser right here and we'll type in facebook.com. All right, so this is my account right here. You're just going to hover your mouse to where you have that group. You're going to click on that right here. All right, so right here you can search for the group you want to actually join. We can search for something like educational. All right, then you hit the enter right here. So after that, you have to hover your mouse on where you have the groups. You click on the groups right here. Right, so it's going to list all the groups that is related to education. Right here you can see this is educational group. If you click on the icon here, it simply means that you have joined this particular group. Right here you can see you join educational group. All right, so you can join all these groups one after the other. All right, then after that, click on the group icon again, then you scroll down. You can see these are the groups I actually joined. You can see this is a teachers group, this is educational group, this is educational group as well. So let's assume I want to click on this right here. You can see this particular Facebook group is having over 95,000 members. So this is a very good place to post the links of your website pages and posts. All right, so let's assume I go to my website right here. So right here in my website, I'll scroll down to where I have recent posts. So I'm going to copy this particular link address. Then I'll go back to that group here. Then I'll click on write something. All right, and to clear all of this. Then I'm going to paste our particular link right here. You can see right here is going to create an image. That's the importance of the featured image. I said you should always add to the post or the articles you are writing in your website. All right, so after that, I'm going to just click on post here. Alright, so when you scroll down, you can see this particular article has been posted in this group. Alright, so out of the 95,000 members they have here, at least I'm sure of 1,000 or 500 persons that will click on this particular link and they'll be directed straight to my website. Alright, the next one here is the Facebook page. Alright, for us to post on the Facebook page seems to be very personal. Right, if you want to locate the pages here, you click on this icon right here. You can see these are the pages I have. This is the page of my website right here. This is a page of another website. This is another page, is another page right here. The best way to post in Facebook pages is for you to visit the pages you have. All right, you visit the pages you have right here. If you have 1,000 likes or 1,000 followers, if you visit the page here, right here you can just click on create a post. You can see right here I posted this particular post right here. This is a YouTube link here and this is a website link here, so you can do the same here. You click on create a post here, click on in Facebook, then you can copy your website link right here and you can paste that here. So let's just do that here. Let's copy this copy link address here and I paste that here. Alright, so right here I'm going to click on post. So this is where Facebook is going to ask me to select groups I want to share this particular post. You can see right here, this is educational group only for study and the like. So after that, you click on post here. So it's going to post this particular website link in my website page and also in the groups that I've selected right there, right? So this is one of the ways you can grow your social traffic. After that, we talk about other social handles. You can do the same for Twitter. You can do the same for YouTube. You can do the same for Instagram and the likes. All right, I've talked about how you can do that on YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, at the description section of every of your video you can add a link to your website. All right, so in that way you are going to get a lot of people to visit your website. All right, so that's that for the social method. The next one here is the paid traffic. All right, the paid traffic involves you paying social media, paying search engines and paying the affiliate. All right, so if you're talking about the social media right here, you find out that you can pay Facebook right here. You can run a campaign in Facebook for Facebook to promote your website visitors. All right, if If I go to my page right here at the left hand side here, you're going to see this is the ad center. If I click on the ad center right here, this is where I can create a new ad. If you click on create ad right here, I'm going to ask you the type of ad you want to create. Do you want to set that as get started with automated ads, or if you want to create new ad, you can just click on create new ads, or if you want to boost an existing content in your Facebook page, you can also click on this. All right, so right here you can see this is the goal of this particular ads I'm about creating. So if you click on change here, it's going to bring list of goals. This is get more page likes, this is get more calls, this is get more website visitors. All right, so this is where we're going to select that, and after that we'll click on save right here. All right, so this is where we're going to select the audience. You can see this is the amount I'm going to pay for this particular advertisement right here. Then this is where I can add my website URL, and if you scroll down here, you can increase the estimated reach per day. All right, you can see right here this is 6,000. You can drag this to the right to increase your budget. All right, after that you click on promote now right here. All right, so that's one of the ways you can generate paid traffic to your website, all right, using the social media. All right, apart from Facebook, we also have other social platforms. You can also pay Twitter to increase the number of visitors you have to your website. You can pay Instagram and Facebook. It's the same person that has the social account. We have the YouTube, we have Quora also. So basically here that's for the social paid traffic. All right, the next one here is the SEM. SEM here stands for search engine marketing. Is the opposite of SEO right here. All right, so search engine marketing, the process of you paying search engines like Google, Bing, Yandex, Yahoo and the likes to increase the number of website visitors you have. All right, so we go to Google right here, we search for the word called web hosting. You're going to see AD beside this particular URL. The meaning of the AD right here is that the owner of this website is paying Google for the content of his or her website to appear at the top of search engine result page. If you scroll down, you see another AD here, AD here, AD here. So the owners of this website, they are paying Google for the content of their website to appear at the top of search engine result page. All right, you can also do the same for other search engines like the Yandex, the Bing, the Yahoo and the likes. You can pay these search engines to increase the number of website visitors you have. All right, you can actually pay search engines to increase the traffic to your website. All right, so that's that for SEM. Then we'll talk about affiliate. Affiliate here is also one of the ways you can generate traffic to our website. Take for instance, you might have people that has over 2 million or 5 million YouTube channel subscribers. You can actually pay these people to help you generate more traffic to your website simply by telling them to paste the URL of your website in the description of their videos. All right, you can also contact some people that has lots of views on their status to paste the link of your website in their status. All right, so by doing so, you find out that lots of people will click on the link and they will visit your website, thereby increasing the traffic to your website. So affiliate is one of the paid method of generating traffic to your website. All right, so the last one we have here is the backlinks. We've talked about backlinks right here. All right, we talked about backlinks here. We said you can go to Quora, create a Quora account, then create a Quora space, then copy and paste the content you have on your website on the Quora space. Then each of the content you are copying, make sure you leave a link to your website where people can click to visit your website. All right, we also talked about the Tumblr, create an account in Tumblr, add a link right there, Medium, LinkedIn, then YouTube also. You can create backlinks on YouTube using the YouTube channel. Then right here we also have other high domain authority websites where I said you can visit my website right here. So in the search bar here, you can just search for all you need to know about search engine optimization. All right, open this particular post. It's going to take you to where I listed some websites with a very high domain authority where you can easily create backlinks. All right, so you can visit any of these websites to add the links of your website right there. All right, so basically here, these are the methods to generate traffic to your website. All right, so see you at the next section.